So, how's your tricycle experience, baby?
It was very nice. Again, I would definitely. Anyway, yeah, I would definitely go again.
Sabi ko na eh, nakita mo eh. Oh, guys.
Master of Sin.
Guys, get yours now. Promise.
Get yours now, please. It smells so good. If you do buy it, you will win a special place in my heart. But yes, get yours now. It smells very, very good. Again, the tricycle was a very nice experience. I would definitely go again.
And gusto ko kasi maranasan lang mag-tricycle. Next naman, ang surprise natin yung isa naman yung panganay. I-jeep naman natin sila.
Hey.
So guys, that's the vlog. So another social experience para sa kanila. So, peace out. Didiskit, let's go.
Yeah!